Hello and welcome back. I'm just going to do a little quick video to tell you what I'm doing this weekend, which is I'm going to Wool at Junction 13 and I'm going to be teaching, and I'm really excited. Wool at Junction 13 sounds like it has a real proper festival vibe. I think there's food and music and sheep shearing and all sorts of wonderful things, so I'm looking forward to going up there and having a little look around. However, I'm also going up there to teach. I'm doing 4 classes, 2 Tunisian and 2 tapestry crochet, and so I'm just going to give you a little overview of each of those courses. First, Tunisian crochet using one of these lovely long hooks, and we're going to first of all do an hour's course at 10:30 on Saturday, where you learn to start and finish, both very important skills, and also to do Tunisian simple stitch. And we'll work on getting a nice even tension, we'll work on getting nice straight sides, and we will also do colour work. So we're going to do changing colours to make stripes like this, or stripes, we can make plain stripes like this one, okay, or my favourite, because you know that I always have a favourite stitch, I really enjoy, I just dropped this, I really enjoy doing a 3-colour tweed stitch. I really think that looks effective. So we'll be experimenting and playing with colour in the 1-hour course at 10:30 on Saturday, and then there's a 2-hour Tunisian course at 2:15 on Sunday, and that's where you learn to make these lovely, rather lovely, though I say so myself, rather lovely Tunisian crochet mitts. Okay, so we're going to do textured stitches, we're going to learn how to do Tunisian simple stitch, Tunisian knit stitch and Tunisian purl stitch, and use those in combination to make these lovely fingerless gloves. There. So pattern will be released later, but you guys get first shot at it. How about that, eh? Lovely. So the next thing I'm going to do is tapestry crochet, and so there's an introduction to tapestry crochet at 10:30 on Sunday, and that's where we learn to do this. We are going to make a little coaster, a little flower coaster. I think it quite goes with the festival type vibe, doesn't it? I love these sort of daisy coasters. And we're going to learn how to do a magic ring, and then how to do our colour work, and so that we have very little on the back. It's very similar to fairest in that we're using 2 colours at the same time when we're working, but it's not the same because we've not got any stranded work on the back. We're just straightforward crochet. It just looks like straightforward crochet. And then the last course is a tapestry crochet pouch. Could be a pouch, it could be it's a little drawstring bag, a little pouch thing, coin purse, dice, if you're a gamer out there, maybe a little dice bag. It does that, which is rather nice. This is done in double knit cotton. We're going to be using acrylic while we're there, but the technique can be used with either. Cotton's a bit stiff and a bit hard work when you're doing tapestry crochet for the first time, so the acrylic is a little, just, it gives a bit more on your hands and is a bit nicer to work with. And so you'll be able to make either a 2-colour little pouch, or you can make a 3-colour pouch like this one here, and they've got this drawstring too, and you'll get the pattern for those in there. So I'm really looking forward to doing these crochet workshops up at Wool at Junction 13 this weekend, and I hope that you can join us. If you see me when I'm not teaching, so if I'm sitting down having a cup of coffee and doing some crochet myself, then do pop along, do have a chat. I'm absolutely happy to chat to anybody about crochet. I can talk for hours, as you know, from my podcasts. So much nicer when you meet people face to face as well. So do say hi, and in the meantime, keep crocheting, get hooked and keep crocheting, and I will see you all soon.